Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Maria France, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I was using the Aphogee treatment. So I use this Aphogee treatment, two-step protein treatment in my hair. So this is the second time I'm using it. So the first thing that I used was the shampoo for damaged hair, and then after that I used the balancing moisture. So this is what it means to be two-step. Step one, step two. So yeah, so you know, my hair is very damaged. I'm trying to like have it fixed. It's like fussy hair, all of the struggles that come with fussy hair. So I'm just like looking for ways to have my hair be healthy and strong and not break. So if you have any comment or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Let's get started and get into this video and see how I did my hair. Stay tuned. So I just finished washing my hair, and I used the shampoo. This is the Aphogee two-step shampoo which I just used, and my hair is freshly washed. So the next step is to use the two-step protein treatment. So what I'm gonna do, I forgot to mention, this is very watery. It's very liquidy, and I bought this from Sally's, local Sally's here, and it's 16 ounce. Like I pictured, since they had small bottles, but since my hair is always like breaking, you know, I'm gonna be using a lot of protein. Like this is my second time using it. Last time I used it was in January, so like about a month ago. So where do we start? I don't know, like this, like look at this, if you can see. You see that? It's very liquidy. So you have to, oops, you have to wear like something that you don't want to be ruined. That's something that you don't care to be ruined. So I don't know, I could put this in the spray bottle or something, but I don't know. You know, I just don't like that. So you have to make sure like it's saturated in your hair. So I like put a little bit more and then comb it through. Like the edges. I feel like I'm doing a bad job. And then I get my white tooth comb. You know, just like however you detangle your hair. I'm like closing my eyes, just so the product don't get in my hair. Like, you know, make sure the hair is nicely, the product is nicely saturated, you know, because it's a protein. You want everything to be nice and well. So a little bit more for the front. So as you can see, like I didn't really like detangle that much. I avoid detangling my hair often to prevent breakage. So like whenever I go styling, final style is where I actually detangle my hair. But before that, I avoid it. So I'm not really gonna like detangle like crazy. But as long as, you know, my hair is like enough protein in there, I think that's enough. Then on to the next section. is to dry the hair. So how the product work is, but it's actually tingling a little bit. It's like tingling, you know, like my scalp is tingling a little bit. So the next step that you do is you can sit under the dryer if you have one, or you can use a blow dryer. So I have a blow dryer here that I'm gonna use, you know, detangler blow dryer, so anything that's gonna work. And I'm not using this because I don't need to comb my hair. So until this product is dry on my hair, that means it's ready for a wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm putting on high heat. So yeah. Blow dried my hair for like 10 minutes now, and it is hard as a rock, like you know, it's like glued to my head. So I'm gonna go wash my hair now again, and then after that I'm gonna use the balancing moisture, which I have to wash again. Like I think this I put it in for like, I don't know, 2 minutes or something like that. So I just washed my hair. I just washed off the two-step protein from my hair, and my eyes burned a little bit because it got in my eyes. You know, I wasn't being too careful. I put too much and it was dripping all over my face, but that's washed out. And now the next step is this, like I say, balancing moisture, and I have to put this in for 2 minutes and rinse it out again. So this one I didn't buy the biggest one because they were out. So this is 8 ounce. This is the 8 ounce. So they said 2 minutes, but I don't feel like 2 minutes is enough. But that's what they say, so you gotta do what they say. I always put more. You know, more is better than less. My hair feels so soft. You know, this, it says protect your hair from breakage for up to 4 months. I mean, not 4 months, 4 weeks. But you know, my hair has been breaking still. The first time I put it on like a month ago, my hair is always breaking. I'm always looking for a solution to stop my hair from breaking. So if you have any suggestion on how to stop my hair from breaking, my natural 4C hair, please put it in the section comment below. I always suffer from my hair doesn't get hydrated very well for some reason. Like I put a lot of product in my hair, but at the end of the day it's still gonna dry like the next day when I sleep on it or whatsoever. So if you have any suggestion, let me know. So now I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'll be right back. So my hair is washed. It feels very soft, so I still haven't really fully detangled it until I go to style it. So yeah, you know, let me know if you've done this before and it worked well for you and you didn't have any breakage, you know, like your 4C hairs. This is a miracle. Let me know in the comment section below. So as far as the leave-in condition, I'm always gonna use Cantu leave-in condition, you know, just to try to style it. And I think I don't know if I should do like a twist out or if I should do a slick bun. I don't know. A slick bun will be quick for sure. I might do that. So yeah, I think I'll do a slick bun. So I'm thinking since I just did protein treatment, I make sure that my hair has enough moisture, you know. So I usually let my hair dry overnight so that it lasts longer. So today is Sunday at like 3 o'clock ish. So I'll take it down, you know, tomorrow morning, going to work. So hopefully I can film. I usually can right before I go to work. So yeah, just wrap a silk or satin band and secure it however you do it, you know. And this will last me like the whole week. So this will be my hairstyle from Monday to Friday at work, you know, unless if I want another fresh look, for example, if I was like going out or doing something. Otherwise I just let my hair like look a little roughish by the end of the week so that I can wash it that weekend and do a new do. But yeah, so I'll be showing you the end result of this hairstyle after doing my Aphogee protein treatment. So this is the hair that I had done after I did my protein treatment. Like I didn't know what to do with my hair, whether I wanted to do a twist out or whatever, but this was very, very quick. So this is my style after I did the protein treatment. So it's gonna last me a while, and hopefully let's see what's gonna happen to my hair, you know, after I take this out. Let's see if it's gonna be, you know, strong, healthy or whatsoever. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe, and leave your comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.